Welcome back, this is Olivia, and guys, you are watching my biography channel BioStars.
Today, I'm going to describe the biography of Surya. Who is Surya? Saravanan Sivakumar, popularly known by his screen name Surya, is a prominent actor in the South Indian film industry. Son of legendary actor Shivakumar, ventured into showbiz in 1997 with Niruppunar. His breakthrough role in Nadhat came in 2001 with Bill's action drama film of the same name. From there was no turning back for the actor, quickly achieved stardom status following the success of films such as Kakka Kakka 2003, Pitha Magan 2003, Gajini 2005, Bharanam Idam 2008, Ainan 2009, Singham Trilogy, to name a few. He is the recipient of 3 Tamil Nadu State Film Awards and 4 Filmfare Awards South. Let's know about his biography. Surya was born on the 23rd of July 1975 in Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. He is currently 45 years old. Birth name Saravanan Sivakumar. Nickname Surya. Profession actor, film producer, television presenter. Date of birth July 23, 1975. Age 45 years old. Place of birth Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Nationality Indian. Sun sign Cancer. Ethnicity Indian Tamil. Residence Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Religion Hinduism. Let's know about his early life, family and education. Surya is the eldest son of Tamil film actor Sivakumar and his wife Lakshmi. He was 2 younger siblings, Brinda and Karthik Sivakumar, who is also an actor. Surya attended the PSBV Millennium School in Coimbatore and then went to the St. Peter's Anglo-Indian Higher Secondary School in Chennai. After completing his schooling, he earned a bachelor's degree in commerce from Loyal College in Chennai. Let's know about his personal life. Surya began dating his co-star Jyotika in 1999 and they have worked together in several films. They got married on September 11, 2006 in Chennai. They have 2 children together, a daughter named Dia born 10 August 2007 and a son named Dev born 7 June 2010. Let's know about his physical statistics. Height 5 feet 5 inches. Weight 72 kg 159 pounds. Body build athletic. Eye color brown. Hair color black. Sexuality straight. Shoe size unknown. Let's know about his professional statistics. Film debut. Surya made his acting debut in the Tamil action film Niruppu Her Starring Video, which was directed by Bhaijanath in 1997. Television debut. In 2012, he became the host of the reality game show Ningalum Bellam Or Kodi on Vijay TV. Brand endorsements. Surya has had endorsed many brands like Pepsi, TVC Motors, Sunfeast Biscuits, Aircel, Saravanan Stores, Bharati Cements, Imami Navaratna, Nescafe, Close Up, Jandu Bone, Malabar Gold, Complan, Quaker, and Intake Movites. In 2007, Surya was appointed the brand ambassador of the Tanka Foundation and acted in a short film on AIDS awareness. Surya launched Agoram Foundation in 2008 and has since helped school dropouts in Tamil Nadu to further their education. In 2013, he was honored at the Edition Awards as the best male endorser in South India. Let's know about his net worth. One of the most popular and promising actors of K-Town, Surya has an estimated net worth of $25 million. Though acting is needed in his main source of earning, he is also a celebrity endorser who has had endorsed various brands amongst South Indian actors. It is estimated that the pockets earns 4-5 crores annually from endorsements. Surya has his own productions company called 2D Entertainment, which is best known for her producing quality films and has been successful, ranking in millions of bucks. Undoubtedly, Surya is one of the highest paid actors in the Tamil film industry. In 2016, he paid Rs 8 crore in Texas alone. He lives with his family in a luxury home located in T. Nagar, one of the busiest and crowded places in Chennai. He purchased this house in 2009 for a staggering undisclosed amount. He is a huge fan of exotic cars, who has an impressive collection of cars in his garage, including cars from brands like Audi, BMW, Jaguar, and owns a Ducati Monster 767. Let's know about his favorite things. Movie: Iranian films. Actor: Kamal Hassan, Rajinikanth. Actress: Trisha Jayathika. Food: curd, rice and pickle, dosa, Thai cuisine. Color: white and black. Destination: London, Los Angeles. Hobbies: long driving, camping. Let's know about his facts. His stage name Surya was given by AC director Mani Ratnam, as there was another actor by the name Saravanan. Surya worked as a merchandising manager in a garment factory for 3 years before stepping into cinema. Besides acting career, he is also a singer, dubbing artist, film distributor and producer. He crowned a song Ek Do Din Char with Andhra Jamia for Anjan. Surya is well acclaimed for his humanitarian efforts. His Agoram Foundation, which he founded along with his wife, aims to provide education to school dropouts. Even though Surya is an established actor in the business today, he hasn't received awards like many other actors in the industry. He won Filmfare Award for Best Supporting Actor Tamil in 2003 for Pitha Magan. His biggest dream is to direct a film on his own, for which he has been learning filmmaking, editing, re-recording and etc. He never takes sweets, not even a bite. In 2013, Surya ranked 33 on the list of top 100 celebrities by Forbes magazine.
So guys, many thanks for staying with us. No more now. See you later with biography of another stars. Take care. Bye.